The fifth category of tools are used to clean and remove any contaminants or particles from the wafer. These wafer washers use ultra-pure water to clean the wafer and then dry it with nitrogen or hot isopropyl alcohol. Cleaning the wafer happens rather frequently in order to remove any stray particles that may have fallen onto the wafer. And finally, sixth are tools that inspect the transistors and metal layers for defects and are called metrology tools. A common metrology tool uses a scanning electron microscope with nanometer-level resolution to take pictures of the top surface of the wafer and determine if there are defects such as improperly patterned layers or particles on the surface. When fabricating an integrated circuit that takes 3 months to complete, it's important to repeatedly monitor the progress and make sure that each of the processes is being executed with nanometer-level precision. Now that we've covered each of the categories, here are the color-coded process steps along with the layout of the tools in the semiconductor fabrication plant.